In today's video, I will walk you through how to do a bank reconciliation in Xero. To get started, navigate to the top bar of your Xero dashboard and click on Accounting. A drop-down menu will appear. From the available options, select Bank Accounts. This will take you to the page where all of your connected bank accounts are listed. Once you're on the Bank Accounts page, you'll see each connected bank account along with its details. Find the account you want to reconcile, then click the Reconcile button for that account to begin the reconciliation process. After the reconciliation page opens, look at the top of the screen. You'll see two figures displayed, the statement balance and the balance in Xero. Throughout the reconciliation process, your goal is to continue working until these two figures match. When they match, it confirms that your account is properly balanced. Next, move to the left side of the reconciliation screen. This is where you'll see your bank feeds. These are the transactions recorded by your bank. On the right side of the screen, you'll see the corresponding records in Xero. Go through the transactions one by one and compare the bank feed on the left with the records on the right. For each item, either match it with an existing transaction or create a new transaction so it accurately reflects the transaction recorded by your bank. Continue repeating this process for each transaction shown in the bank feed. As you work through the list, make sure every transaction is either matched or created correctly before moving on to the next one. If you come across a transaction that doesn't immediately match, investigate it further or check any supporting documentation you have available. Once you've confirmed the correct information, complete the match, or create the appropriate transaction before continuing with the remaining items. Keep reconciling the transactions until you've worked through all of them. As you finish each match, keep an eye on the figures at the top of the page. Continue until the statement balance and the balance in Xero are the same. Once every transaction has been matched or created, and the two balances at the top of the page match, the reconciliation is complete. Your account is now reconciled, and your records in Xero match the transactions recorded by your bank. Please like and subscribe if this video helped you. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next videos.